We just got a severe thunderstorm watch. It should go off any minute now.
The total snowfall since July 1st still stands at a trace. The normal high temperature for today is 75 degrees, and the normal low is 51. The record high for today is 92, which occurred in 1985, and the record low is 32, which occurred in 1978. Sunrise
Goes.
This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Hardin, Johnston, Nash, Wake, Wayne, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather, radio, all hazard station WMG 706, operating on frequency 162.45 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, my first severe weather alert for the day.